In the middle of nowhere, something was waiting. Hidden for decades, untouched by the modern world. Every crease, crack. No license. No documents. No owner. What we found was worse than expected. Built in an era when cars were symbols of power.
Most would walk away. We didn't.
Inside, time had done its worst. To save it, we had to take it apart completely. Piece by piece, the skeleton was rebuilt.
The heart was completely dead. So we rebuilt it from the inside out.
For a moment, nothing happened.
Then it came back to life.
Inside, time had done its worst. The color had to respect its era, timeless, deep, and elegant. Chrome wasn't decoration, it was craftsmanship.
Under the hood, the heart was reborn. Under the hood, the heart was reborn.
It wasn't built to sit still, it was built to move.